Welcome to the ancient Taoist practice. The Taoist six healing sound is an ancient practice that dated back from the time of antiquity. Actually, from the time of the Neolithic shaman, as they chant their primal sounds of healing. Xu, ho, fu, si, chu, he. As they chant those sounds, they gather the power from the animals, from the universe, from the sun, from the sky. And in time, the healing sound develops into Taoist six healing sound Qigong. What is the principle of the six healing sound? It is resonance. Imagine a singer, a soprano, singing a high-pitched aria, and a wine glass shatters. Her singing resonates with the vibration of the glass to such extent that it shatters. Now, of course, the healing sound is not as drastic as that. But it uses the same principle of resonance to vibrate, to stimulate our organ with a particular healing sound. It vibrates that particular vibrational state of the organs. The Taoist alchemists believe fundamentally behind the form is a subtler, sublime existing of vibration. Therefore, the six healing sound can be said as the foundation of Taoist Qigong practice. The first healing sound is the sound for the liver, Xu, X-U. And it goes out like a leaf. Xu. And gathers together. Again. And now, the next sound is of the heart's fire. And the fire goes up. And there's a mudra involve you pinching your thumb, middle, and forefinger together. And the sound is ho. And another sound is a sound for the spleen. And the spleen's energy brings it up and down. The nourishment goes up to the lung, and the excrement, the waste, go down to the colon. And you stretch your spine up and down simultaneously. And the next sound is C, a kind of hissing sound for the lungs. It's like drawing open a bowl. And then the next sound is sound of the kidney. It's a watery kind of sound. And you notice there's two different ways of doing the kidney sound. This is the way it's done in the instruction for the book of Taoist Qigong for health and vitality that I have written as a manual and guide for beginners. Good. And now the last sound is for the triple burner. What is a triple burner? In Chinese medicine, it is not a particular organ, but more of a system of a homeostatic warmth, temperature, warming our body. So the lower, middle, and upper burner. And the sound is hey, H-E-Y. And when you finish, gather your energy and take a moment, just embracing the vibration between your palms and closing your eyes. There's a moment of pure bliss, the vibration of the universal sound. Thank you for joining in this video on the 6 healing sound. And if you would like to learn more about the 6 healing sound, please purchase my book, Taoist Qigong for health and vitality.